everyone, it's Shirin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a huge PR/haul unboxing. I asked you guys on Instagram which one you guys would prefer to see, tutorials or a PR haul, and you guys voted majority for PR haul, so here we are. If you don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I do all of my unboxings first. As soon as I get the product, I always snap them to Instagram stories. Snap them. You know what I mean. Snapchat's dead. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you're not already. And also, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you're excited for this PR haul. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. I just want to start off by saying a huge thank you to all the brands that sent me PR. I'm so thankful and grateful. You guys are all amazing. And also a huge thank you to all of you, my lovely subscribers. You guys, I wouldn't be here without you. I'm so grateful and thankful for your support. So I'm gonna start off with a haul of things I actually purchased myself. There's only 3 items, so I figured I would just toss it into this video instead of making a separate one for only 3 products. The first thing I picked up was from Sephora during their insider sale. So this is the bag. Honestly, I just put it in the back because it looked nice. But I got the Acid Trip kit. This one comes with the TLC Free Mousse Glycolic Night Serum, the TLC Sukari Baby Facial, C Firma, and the Virgin Rolla Luxury Facial Oil. And if you've seen my Drunk Elephant videos, you guys know by now that I love Drunk Elephant. It's literally changed my skin. Highly, highly recommend. And yes, by the way, this is the US version, not the Canadian one. That one doesn't come with the baby facial. Sorry, Canada. I love the packaging. It's super cute and fun. And then on the inside, let me just show you guys what this looks like. It's like this. I'm really, really excited to try out the baby facial. That's mainly the reason I got it. Also because I really love C Firma and TLC Free Mousse. These are like, I swear by them, so perfect little kit. Oh my god, look at the inside of the cap, that's so cool. The next store I went to was Ulta, and I picked up something that I've been wanting for a really long time, and that's a glitter gel. But you guys, let me tell you, I've been looking online for a glitter gel that's affordable and also comes with like a lot of product. And the ones that I was looking at were like $30, and I'm like, I can't justify paying $30 for something that I'm not gonna use that often, like just for festivals. And then I found this. This is a newer launch. I think it just launched like maybe a week or 2 ago. It's Model's Own Glitter Mix Glitter Gel, and I got the shade Unicorn, which is like this purpley iridescent shade. It's very similar to the one that Tarte recently came out with, if you're familiar with that one. The best part is that it was only like $10, and it comes with 1.69 fluid ounces. Like, look at this. It's a huge jar. Like, it might look small on camera, but trust me, it is huge. Definitely taking this with me to EDC. I cannot wait to use it. The last thing I picked up was from Target, and it's this Japanese brow duo thing. So it comes with scissors and then just a spoolie, so like, you know, you can spoolie out your brows. This scissor is so sharp. I've already used it once and like, wow, like so sharp. And I really love the way that it's shaped. It's really comfortable to hold. So the next 2, well technically 3, products that I'm going to show you are things that I actually won on Instagram giveaways from brands, which is so exciting. Last time I won a giveaway was like when I was in high school. So like 8 years ago or something like that. The first 2 are from Ole Henriksen. I got their Banana Bright Eye Cream and Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. You know what's really funny about this actually? So I was looking at both of these and I was about to buy them, and then I won the giveaway like the next day, and I was like, whoa. Every month I've been doing new releases at Sephora on my blog. Like, I'll have a whole list of all the new releases, and these were some of them, and they were on my list, and I'm like, oh, it looks so cool, and like I was seeing everybody talk about them on Instagram, and I'm like, I gotta try it. And then I won the giveaway the next day, and I was like, whoa. It's like I put out that energy that I wanted it, and then the universe just manifested it. It was so cool. The next thing I won was Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara, which I'm actually wearing on my lashes today, and I tried it out yesterday too. I'm not the biggest fan of the formula yet. And I say yet because I feel like this is a better formula once it kind of dries out a little. Like, you know what I mean? When you use mascaras and like they dry out and they become better. The formula of this is a little bit too wet for my preference right now, and it keeps clumping on my lashes, so I literally had to go and like pick the clumps off. So, yeah. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna keep playing around with this and see what I think. I might do a review, I don't know. Would you guys want to see a review? Also, it claims to have a 36-hour wear time, so I low-key really want to try that out. And yes, I mean literally sleep in it and update you guys the next day, because why not? If you guys want to see that, let me know down below. I really love the packaging. It's like super edgy and fun with all these spikes on the top. And then here's what the wand looks like. It kind of tapers out towards the end. Fun fact, I actually won 2 of these, so I'm gonna be giving one away once I hit 4K. I plan on doing a giveaway, so definitely make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss it. Alright, moving on to the actual PR haul. So these are all products that have accumulated during the past month and a half. So I do have multiple products from brands, so I'm going to be splitting it up by brand. The first one I'm going to start off with is Patchology. The first thing they sent over is this on-the-fly travel kit, and it came with this cute little ID holder thing. So on the inside of this plane is where all your information goes, and then you can just pull it out. So for the kit, it says, set your skin to airplane mode. Arrive refreshed with the 5-minute in-flight, on-the-go, or on standby facial. So the kit comes with their Illuminate Flash Mask, which is one of my favorite face masks. It leaves your skin so glowy the next day, and it just hydrates it so well. I love it so much. And then it also comes with their hydrating lip gels, rejuvenating eye gels, and then the Hydrate Flash Mask. Here's what everything looks like, and you've probably seen these on Instagram. I've used these in videos before, and a lot of other people have too, and I see them getting mistaken a lot for plumping gels. They're not for plumping, they're just for hydration. So if you have dry lips, these are going to be really great for moisturizing your lips. And then same with the eye gels, they're so hydrating underneath the eyes. Like, such a burst of hydration. I'm definitely taking this whole kit with me to EDC as well, because I will definitely need all of these in the desert. It gets so hot in Vegas. The next thing from Patchology is, dun, 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 as if I haven't seen these before. I've totally unboxed all of these, but I don't remember which box this is. So kind of, it's like Christmas all over again. Let's see. Oh, okay, yes. This is their Sink or Swim box. So this one comes with their Aqua Flash Daily Gel Moisturizer. This one just recently launched. I think it's one of their newest launches. So this is a water-based gel moisturizer. It says it packs serious hydrating power with a clean, silky smooth feel. Lightweight and pore-friendly, never sticky or greasy. Instantly feel the cool, refreshing surge of hydration, delivering essential nutrients and antioxidants to leave skin smooth, suited, and protected. So this would also be really perfect for some sort of dry, deserty environment like EDC. I know I keep talking about EDC and festivals, but I'm just so excited for festival season. But anyway, not festival related, this would also be really great for summer because it would just be so refreshing. So this package also came with this really cool mermaid tail drink holder, and then sugar-free candies. And it also came with this Hydrate Flash Mask, which is the same one that was in the On The Fly kit. Last up from Patchology is this box right here, and I actually don't remember what was in it. This is so bad. Why can I not remember things? Let's open this guy. Oh, this is like the most recent one. Scratch what I said about the moisturizer. These are the newest releases. Wow, I am such a dory. Okay, so this package is their Clean AF on-the-go refreshing facial cleansing wipes. Perfect for on-the-go cleansing. Pop the convenient resealable pack into your purse, a gym bag, or suitcase, and you'll always be prepared like a Boy Scout. No camping skills required, which is perfect because I hate camping. Unless it's glamping. So the first thing we have in this package is this really cute mirror from Patchology. I feel like this will be so helpful for filming tutorials and like just throwing into my bag on the go for touch-ups. Love this. And then the next thing, Patchology obviously knows the way to my heart. We have food! Yay! So this is an organic protein bar by Square Organic. It's chocolate coated and in the flavor almond spice, which sounds bomb. And then we have the actual Clean AF facial wipes. So these wipes are loaded with vitamin B for maximum moisture, biotin to rejuvenate your skin and give you a natural glow, and then the antioxidant folic acid to detoxify and gently purify your pores. So these sound amazing. If you buy them online, they actually come in a kit of 4, which is such a great deal, and it comes with, let's see, 15 in each, right? Yeah, 15 in each. So definitely a great deal. I think it retails for 20, don't quote me. I'll have everything linked down below, so make sure to check there for all the products. So that's everything from Patchology, and I just want to say a major thank you to Patchology for hooking a girl up with some serious skincare. From the bottom of our pores, my skin and I thank you. The next package is from Dr. Jar, and can I just say I love this bag so much. Like, I never thought that I would be into camo print until this bag came into my life. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love the material. I love that it has this little handle. It's soft. I love everything about it. So inside it came with their Tiger Grass Camo Drops, And these are for soothing redness and camouflaging imperfections. It neutralizes redness and ignites skin's glow. And it soothes and energizes sensitized skin. On this little card that this comes with, it says that the new Tiger Grass Camo Drops are an ultra lightweight, revitalizing, color correcting serum that calms redness and turns up skin's glow. So if you guys know, if you've seen my skincare videos, then you know that I do have redness in my skin just naturally. So I'm really excited to try these out, but I'm not going to be incorporating it until maybe like a week or another 2 weeks, because I am trying the Sunflower Sweet Serum. And I don't want to be mixing different skincare products while I'm trying out new ones, just because I'm meticulous like that and I want to figure out if a product is actually working for me or not. If I use multiple products at once, it'll just be really hard to tell what's actually working and what's not. Anywho, this is brand new and it's available at Sephora now and it retails for $46. So major thank you to Dr. Jart for sending this out to me. I'm so excited to try it. The next package is from Almay and I have to get up for this one because it's big. So here's the box that it comes in, and I don't want to open this like directly on camera, only because it's so huge, and like if I open it I feel like everything will fall out, but like look how big it is. It's double-sided. Let me actually try. You know what? We're gonna risk it. Dun, da, da, da. Oh my god, no, it's like already falling. Crap. Ah! Okay, that's not too bad. So here's what it looks like inside, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eyeshadow quads, 3 lipsticks, 2 highlighter duos, an eyeliner pen, and then at the top, it's these makeup remover wipes, or not wipes, but like cleansing sticks. It's so cool and innovative. I've never seen anything like this before. And then on this side, we just have this board. Let me let this drop. Okay, so we have this little board thing, and it comes with a bunch of letters, so I can write in any sort of phrase that I want. Right now it says, welcome to the Almay class of 2018. I'm super excited about this because I've never tried any Almay products before, so it'll be really fun to try them out. I'm definitely going to be doing a video on them, so keep an eye out for that. Also, I just want to say I love all the detail that went into this packaging. Like, everything from the cover to the way the products were laid out to the little board that it came with. Everything was just so thought out, and the actual box that it came with, like the package, was so well packaged. It was like the best packaged PR package. Can I say package any more times in a sentence? Oh my god. Drink water for every time I say package. Gotta stay hydrated. Anyway, so it was so well wrapped. Like, nothing would budge because it had like this foam inside it to keep everything in place. Like, it was beautiful. These are all the letters that it comes with that I can interchange on that board. Thank you so much to Almay. This is so sweet. I'm so thankful. Last but not least, we have Pixie! This is their Lash and Line Love Box. In the package, it comes with 6 waterproof eyeliners, and then we have a large mascara, and then their lash line ink, and then the black lacquer lash primer. The two that I'm most excited about are the purple and blue eyeliner pens. They just look so fun, especially for summer coming up. Ooh, okay, hold up. The lash line ink is actually waterproof too, so all of the eyeliners that came in here are waterproof. Yay, so exciting. And the waterline one is actually another one that I'm really excited for because I do love tight lining, so I'm excited to try this out and see if it does wear all day. It says that you can use it on your inner and upper lash line for maximum eye definition. It's intense, a no smudge color payoff, and gentle application. All things that sound very promising to me. And this one is a nude version, which would be really nice for defining the lower part of your brows, and then also for the lower waterline, just to make your eyes look wider and more awake. These are also twist up, so there's no sharpening involved. You guys, look at the wand on this mascara. That looks intense, and I mean that in the best way possible. I feel like my lashes would look so big and voluminous with these. That'll be fun to try. Last but not least, this is the biggest PR package I have ever received. Like, when I got the box, it was huge. So here it is. This is the Pixie by Petra Pixie Pretties collab for 2018. And let's see if I can open this up. Dun, dun, dun. So here it is. This is the whole collection, you guys. Ah! The one with Chloe Morello, the one with Just Like Candy, and the one with Wiley. Oh my god, do you guys see how I'm balancing this right now? It's like I'm in a mid-squat kind of. Like, you can't see it, but I'm balancing so hard. Also, I took out all the products because I didn't want them to break and fall. So let me just show you what was inside. Chloe Bareilles collab comes with these 3 beautiful blushes and then 3 eyeshadow duos, which are all neutrals, and then this little brow trio. I also love that it comes with this mirror because you can just check up your makeup while you're applying it all in one palette. And then there's also this gorgeous golden lip topper. This is her Pixie and Chloe Morello lip icing in the shade Cake. Look how beautiful and glittery this is. Like, wow, I cannot wait to try this out on my lips. I'm gonna be having a whole separate video like trying all these out, so I'm not gonna test them out in this video. The next up, Dulce's comes with these 2 palettes. The first one is, what is this called? Café con Dulce, and it comes with 9 different shadows, and these can be used as either eyeshadows or highlighters or just however you want to use them. They're multi-use and they're so beautiful. Like, I can already tell these are gonna be really pigmented. This is the other palette in her collab. This is Dulce's Lip Candy and Sugar and Spice, and this one comes with 9 lip shades. And then last up we have Whaley's collab. Hers is this eyeshadow palette. These are all neutrals as well. This shade looks really pretty. I'm really excited to try that one out. And then it also comes with this dual-sided eyeliner pen. So on this side we have a black kohl liner, and then on the other side it's a felt tip liner. This is so handy and convenient. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. Huge thank you to Pixie for everything. I'm so thankful. I honestly was not even expecting to receive that PR package. Like, I thought that was just reserved for like the bigger YouTubers. I'm so grateful. So that wraps it up for my PR/haul unboxing. Leave a comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!